Bing is right there, right on top. I'm gonna ask for that. Oh my god, there you go. I love this fruit. Normally I see it's green, but carambola or the balimbing. I love this. Balimbing, alright? Alright, see that tree? So that's the carambola tree, or what we call the balimbing. This is the carambola or the balimbing. And then right next to me is a kamyas to Tanzania. It doesn't mean that it's very dangerous, but it's better to be that way. Here in Zanzibar. Let's get inside. Wanna run. Once again, see that shop next behind me. That's a shop building here in Zanzibar. And I'll meet a guide who will be taking me to the point. You have your own flag, right?
Yeah.
That's right, so it's cheaper. So we have to wait for the pandemic too. And this is the official emblem of the nation. Right here in the Jozami National Forest National Reserve. Shawabe National. Right there. So there's some instruction here. Some information. Do not approach the monkeys closer, 3 meters. And then one for the semi-autonomous.
It's a soft and the pattern of this back.
Now in the middle of looking for the monkey, endemic monkey here in Jozami. It's a very, very thick eucalyptus, so they use it to make Zanzibar. We're trying to look for monkey. Look for monkeys. Oh yeah. What is the name of this monkey again? It's not as aggressive. It's red Colobus because they have the red. Nice. Oh my god, look at that. So scratching. Typically monkeys have 5 fingers, but they have 4. And they...
Yeah. Male has a white face, a strong muscles.
I see. Jozami National Park here in Zanzibar. White mangrove.
Yeah. We know protection.
I see.
Yeah, so if you have a local boat.
The trumpet is true. So eventually. Okay, now I got to plant a mangrove.
It's a different kind of birds.
After now it's a full-blown mangrove. This kind of like capsule carries the seeds of the
Yeah, also crab gets their habitat. You get their.
So we found the spot to plant my. Did you say red mangrove, right? Red mangrove, right? So, it's here. Where do you want me to plant the mangrove? First, so this is my...
Pole, be careful.
Okay, that's the bar for the vehicle.
Po.